10 things rich people know that the poor don't. If you master just these 10 things, you're gonna be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about the 10 things that rich people know that the poor don't, and how to take these 10 things and use them to your advantage to start accumulating wealth and one day become a millionaire, multimillionaire, or even more. Number 10 is understanding how taxes and money work. Most poor families don't have a good relationship with money, which means that they never talk about it themselves, which means that their kids and nobody around them ever actually hears about money. And so what this does is people who grow up in poor families have a negative relationship with money. They don't want to talk about it. They don't want to face it. And you know, when they have debt or credit card debt or bad things related to money in their lives, they just ignore it rather than facing it head on, dealing with it, and then overcoming it. And rich people understand that money is just a tool, and understanding how money works and understanding, more importantly, how taxes work and how to take advantage legally, of course, all of the different tax, deductions and all the ways that you can minimize your tax burden is your responsibility. And so number 10 is that rich people understand that money and taxes are just something that you need to learn about and face head on, while poor people ignore them, hide all of their problems, and they just get worse and worse and worse. The number 9 thing that rich people know that the poor don't is that you are not entitled to anything. Rich people understand that you're not entitled to the best job. You're not entitled to become a millionaire. You're not entitled to anything. You have to go out and you have to get it, right? The poor person mentality is to think that they're a victim and that everything, that they deserve everything without having to work for it. They think everyone's against them, and they think everything else is someone else's fault. Rich people understand that you're not entitled to a thing. You have to go out and you have to get it. You have to take it and you have to create your own life. Number 8 is that results don't come instantly. Poor people think that they should get rich overnight, that the next small thing or hack is gonna instantly change their lives. Rich people understand that it takes time and it takes incremental daily effort every single day to build things that become truly great and excellent. Rich people understand that every day you're putting in incremental work in your daily habits, and you're waking up a little bit earlier and you're working a little bit harder and a little bit longer. Those things add up until they become exponential and they return more money and more wealth than you could possibly imagine. Number 7 is that habits are what create wealth, and poor people don't understand that every single day is how you actually become rich. Poor people think that, okay, whatever, I'll get up a little bit later, or I won't go to the gym today. It's just one day. And rich people understand that your day-to-day habits are what change your life. If you change your daily habits today, and you can just do it today, right? And then tomorrow becomes a little bit easier and you just do it tomorrow. And then all of a sudden, a couple days passes and a week passes and you've changed your daily habits. And when you change your daily habits, you change your life. And when you change your life, you change your bank account. And that's what rich people understand that poor people don't. Number 6 is that money is a tool, right? A lot of people say that money can't buy you happiness. And while that's true directly, most of the people who probably say that are people who are poor, right? Because having more money doesn't directly make you happier, but it is a tool to enable you to have more experiences in life. If you have more money, you can, travel the world, and you can, not have to worry about bills to pay or debt collectors and all of the negative things that, not having money brings into your life. Kanye West puts it best, right? He says, having money's not everything, not having it is. And when you don't have money, it consumes your life, right? It stresses you out. When you do have money, you're able to do the things that you want and have not only financial freedom, but time freedom, right? So you understanding that money is a tool, and you simply use money to be able to do the things that you want to do and live a happier and more fulfilled life is something that rich people understand, while poor people just think money is some evil thing that doesn't enable them to actually find more happiness and more freedom in their lives. The number 5 thing that rich people understand that poor people don't is that it's not about lowering your expenses all the time. It's about generating more money. What poor people think and their mentality is that you always want to actually lower your expenses, always lower your expenses, always lower your expenses. And what rich people understand and what their mindset is that you actually sometimes don't want to lower expenses. I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month on my business, but that money generates me more than it costs me. Because if you're going to spend $100,000 a month, if it's making making you an additional 200,000 that you didn't otherwise have, then that's obviously worth spending. And the poor person's mentality is you always constantly want to lower and lessen expenses without realizing that sometimes you have to spend money to make more. So a lot of times the rich person mentality is about generating more money instead of always focusing on lowering expenses. Number 4 is that knowledge is power. This is probably the single most important thing that I've learned in my entrepreneurial journey, is that knowledge literally equates into more money. The more things that you know and the more things you have in your brain makes you inherently more valuable, and you get good at the things that you do, right? And some people don't understand that no matter how high you climb on the ladder, if the ladder is leaned against the wrong building, you're not gonna get to where you want, right? If you work at McDonald's 80 hours a week, you're gonna get really, really good at working at McDonald's, but that's not what you wanna be focusing on. You wanna be focusing on the things that you can actually scale up, that have infinitely high thresholds, like YouTube, personal brands, right? Building an e-commerce store, SMMA, all of these different types of things that have a massive, massive upside and that have automation and infrastructure that are gonna make you money even while you're not directly working. When you can make money while you sleep, that is when you have the rich person's mentality. So only do things that move you closer towards that automation and closer towards that financial freedom. Don't do things that require your manual time and effort to actually make any money. Number 3 is that solving problems is the quickest way to get rich. A lot of people, think that they just need to start some random company without having any direction or any idea about what they're actually doing. But if you think about it for yourself, right? Who are the people who make the most money? It's the people who solve the biggest problems. Think about Uber, for example. Uber took a very massive problem around the world that getting a taxi was very inconvenient. If you're in other countries, oftentimes they try to take advantage of you. There's all of these different kind of negatives that come with trying to get a taxi. And so what they did was they revolutionized the market by using, smartphones to be able to get a taxi and create a network and build a system of drivers to make it so you can anytime, basically anywhere, get somebody to pick you up. The price is already set. There's no haggling. Oftentimes, it's much cleaner than, some taxis I've been in my life, and they solved a big real world problem. So think about it in your own life. What's a big problem in your particular niche or doing what you do? And then think, okay, how can I solve it? And when you solve big problems, you earn big incomes. Number 2 is questioning everything. Poor people will just listen to what society tells them to do. They'll go to the job that society tells them to go to, and they'll never question anything. They'll never question how much they're getting paid relative to their peers. They'll never question if there's something else they could be doing with their time that would make them more happy and more money. And rich people understand that they have to question everything. Never take what people say at face value. Always question what is happening. Always question the status quo and think for yourself, right? Use your own independent thoughts and use your own brain. Never ever just take things at face value. If just because it's the way it's always been done does not mean that it's the best way to do it. So question everything, and when you question everything, sometimes you're gonna find very interesting things that can lead to massive, massive businesses and opportunities for you to take advantage of to increase your wealth. And the number 1 thing that rich people know that the poor people don't, we'll get to in a second, but really quick, I wanted to give a shout out to this guy right here. He actually drew me a beautiful picture that you see right here. First time I've ever gotten, fan art from a subscriber. So shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for this awesome picture. I love it. And at the same time, guys, shout out to our comment winner. Every single day we choose a comment winner. So if you want to be featured on our next video, all you have to do is comment down below. Tell me which one of the 10 things resonated with you most. Leave it for me in a comment and you could be our next winner on tomorrow's video. So rule number 1, guys, the number 1 thing that rich people know that poor people don't is that the world operates on the 80-20 principle. And what I mean by that is that 80% of what you do is not going to help your life. Literally everything you do in your life, 20% of your activities produce 80% of your results. And if you think about it, this is so true everywhere. For example, when I first started selling, digital products in my courses and things like that, I was trying to advertise on Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, all the different forms of social media, right? Probably like 5 or 10. And when I actually looked at where all my sales were coming from, I noticed that most of them, 90% of them, were coming from YouTube, Facebook, and then a few other places. So what I did was, instead of spending 1 tenth of my energy on all these different social media platforms. I outsourced everything and I spent 100% of my time on the 20% of activities that gave me 80% of my results. And all I did was spend all my time on YouTube and Facebook, and I let everybody else handle everything. And when you look at your own life in the 80-20 rule, right? The Pareto principle, when you evaluate your life and you evaluate the things that you do, you're gonna find that 20% of your activities is giving you 80% of what you want. And when you're good at isolating those things in your own life, then everything seriously becomes so much easier and you're gonna have much more explosive results much faster. So if you're ready to develop a millionaire's mindset, what I want you to do right now is check out this video we did on how to develop a millionaire's mindset. We go through everything that you need to start your path to becoming a millionaire.